We've been doing world-class botanical research in this department for the last several decades, and P3 represents the culmination of that. What it is an attempt to take world-class benchtop mechanistic research into the field, to really exploit our world-leading facilities and our world-class scientists and begin to understand the processes that will allow us to make crops better in the future. Better by being more resistant, by being more productive and improving soil quality. The whole project takes several different approaches to improving food security around the world.
So the P3 Research Centre includes 24 different research groups, labs, where we study fundamental processes from cells and genes and molecules all the way up to global ecosystems. And it's true that P3 has a very green focus on plant biology, but it actually extends also into other disciplines such as soil microbiology, population genetics and even entomology. In order to maximize the research output of P3, it's important that we have state-of-the-art research equipment and state-of-the-art controlled environment. It's important that if you want to do plant biology, that you can grow your plants in a reproducible manner, but that you also have state-of-the-art equipment such as mass spectrometry at your disposal.
The mass spectrometers in the facility will give us a snapshot of metabolism at any given time. So if we have a sample, for instance a plant material that is exposed to environmental change or a treatment, we can get a picture of metabolism at the different points in time, so we can see how samples adapt to changes to environmental stresses and strains.
At Sheffield we have fantastic resources for investigating a range of different plant species. Because we're able to moderate a lot of different variables such as the temperature, the humidity, the light conditions and also the carbon dioxide levels, we're able to grow a huge range of species under a wide range of conditions, and so this really facilitates the research that we do here.
The P3 project is about supporting our basic science research coming out of the work that we do on the model system, the plant lab rat Arabidopsis thaliana, and moving it through to crops. So in my research I'm moving my work into barley and wheat with the help of collaborators, and the facility means that we can grow these crops inside in a controlled way so that we can study exactly what would happen under a particular environmental stress or maybe a particular pathogen stress, and we can also look at what might happen in the future in different climate scenarios.
The Arthur Willis Environmental Centre was opened in 2009 and will be the physical base for the P3 Centre for Translational Plant Biology. It consists of a number of facilities within quite a compact area. We can cater for quite a range of biological projects, from research and large crop-based plant work, butterfly bees and other insects, all within controlled environment conditions. Next to the greenhouse there is a 128 metre squared area for small-scale outdoor research. Within the research building itself there is two large constant temperature rooms that have been fitted with high output LED bars for growth of small cultures and plants. The greenhouse has a metal halide supplementary lighting system which allows the photosynthetic active radiation intensity to be modulated depending on the external irradiance. This allows the research to continue uninterrupted throughout the winter months.
The P3 Centre unites this broad spectrum of research into a single dedicated centre that allows us to exploit our fundamental intellectual capital. This is uniquely broad, allowing us to explore agriculture really from the cell through to the atmosphere. P3 draws together this diversity of academic research into one place, and this allows us to interact not only with other academic institutions but with a wide range of stakeholders, including farmers and the agri-tech industry. And this allows us to apply our science to real-world situations and hopefully improve the sustainability of agriculture.
So P3 represents a huge investment by the university. It's a 10-year project. That 10 years is not an end of the process, that's seen as the building of momentum of this process. It's designed to use our fantastic facilities, our fantastic staff, and really bed us down as a centre of excellence for doing translational agri-tech work in the next century.